Encountered an AXMP file alongside images or documents? This is an extensible metadata platform file used by Adobe applications for content metadata. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through these Adobe XMP metadata files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling AXMP files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. AXMP files are metadata files using Adobe's extensible metadata platform. XMP standard for storing descriptive metadata about digital assets. They contain structured metadata, including author copyright keywords ratings and custom fields associated with images, videos, documents, or other content in Adobe Creative Cloud workflows. AXMP files use XML-based format following the XMP specification with RDF Resource Description Framework structure. The format stores metadata fields with namespace organization enabling extensible metadata schemas, including standard Dublin Core IPTC photographic and custom Adobe metadata for comprehensive content description. Commonly, AXMP files use Adobe Bridge developed by Adobe. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows cannot interpret hierarchical index data, so proper access depends on dedicated tools. Let's find the specific program that reads the file structure. Right-click the AXMP file and select Open With. Test Adobe Bridge if it appears. If not, choose another application. One of them is the right match. If the AXMP file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, opening in Adobe Bridge. Install Adobe Bridge from Adobe Creative Cloud free for Adobe customers. Launch Bridge and navigate to AXMP files which display metadata for associated content. Use the metadata panel to view and edit XMP fields synchronizing metadata across image collections and Adobe Creative Cloud applications. Next, editing as XML. Open AXMP files in any text editor like Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, or XML editors since the format is XML-based. View and edit metadata fields directly respecting XML and XMP syntax. Validate edited files using XML validators, ensuring continued compatibility with Adobe applications. Finally, using ExifTool. Use ExifTool, a powerful metadata management tool for command-line AXMP file manipulation. Read all metadata with ExifTool filename.xmp, or modify fields with command-line options. ExifTool supports comprehensive XMP operations, enabling automated metadata workflows and batch processing of large content collections. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.